everybody, it's Micah here from Steet Ponte Mazda. Today we're going to continue the how-to series, and I'm going to show you today how to favorite your contacts and some radio stations. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to communications. We're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down to contacts. You find the contact you want. In this instance, I'll click on Allie. You're going to hold the star button, and it's going to add it as a new favorite. I'll show you. Click on the star button again, and there she is as a favorite. And now we're going to show you how to add a radio station. We're going to go to Entertainment. We're going to find the radio station we want. This one is 96.1 The Eagle. You're going to hold the star button on it again. It's going to add a new favorite, and I'll show you. If we go to our favorites, boom, it's right there. And then in your favorites, you can actually kind of categorize it. You go over, you can go to Entertainment or Communications, so you're not confused in what you have on there. So if you have any questions or concerns, reach out to me or any of our salesmen, or come on down to the dealership and see why it's so easy to do business here at Steet Ponte Mazda.